canon, this here the serial, and the your type the driver download. And please wait, I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website canon support for imageCLASS d1650 hundreds 1650 serial, and you click here uh, uh, the official website canon, and please why I'm search the driver for you. And this here for the driver and software, you click here, and this here for you select operating system. This here for detect the automatic operating system detect. This here for detect Windows 11 support, Windows 11 system operation for the Windows 11. This here for you click here. This here for the driver Mac, Linux, and the Windows driver. IMC for you the Mac driver. This here for the Mac 12 and this here for new driver for Mac, and this here for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and new driver for a Mac. I am slide here for the Mac 12 here, and this here for the Mac 12 the driver. This is for recommended for driver for Mac 12, and this here for PP, PPD file for the Mac 12, and this here for PS driver printer for Mac 12. You click here for the tile information for you, and this here for the new complete your driver and software your uh, for your system operation Mac 12 driver. I am recommended for your download here. Your recommended your download driver is here for the driver and utilities for Mac for Macintosh. The driver. If you need download, you click here download, and please wait. This here for the download for Mac 12 driver, and I am testing for the Linux. The driver is here for the complete for the Linux driver. Select here, and this here for the Linux firmware. You're looking here. This here for the Linux firmware is complete the driver and manual book. You click here. This here for the manual book download. And I am click here driver again, software and driver again. This here for the software for the um, Linux. If you download, you click here agree, and you click download. This here for the driver, your serial number. Yeah, input serial number for the printer, and this here for the not input. Maybe this here. Yeah, serial number again. If you not serial number, you click here for this driver for you. This here for the not serial number, and download the Linux driver. And I am checking for the Windows, and this video I need to download and install driver for the Windows 11 the driver. Okay, this here for the Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9.7, Windows Vista support. And this video I am need to download driver Windows 11 is like here driver Windows 11, and this here for the Windows 11 driver recommended. Okay, this here for the recommended for the Windows 11, and this here for the driver uh, scanner, and and this here for the freeware and the freeware again and the freeware again and the driver PS3 the printer and this here for a PPD file and this here for driver printer. You look in the release update and the version file and this I am recommended for you to download this here for the recommended utility scan and this here for the recommended utility print driver. Okay, this here for the data. Okay, this scan scan utility. This is a software conversions scanner photo photographic and document framework framework must be installed. Okay, you look in here and this the printer bit more the printer is here for the printer detect printer driver and this here for the software toner status version. Okay, and I am recommended for you to download here this here for the printer and scanner maybe and you click here and this here for the drive for download for the Windows 11. Okay, if you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the board printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and press for finish driver download. You click here. If you finish driver download, you click here. You click open and or you double click here. This here for the extract and you click next and finish the driver. This here for the automatic install your printer for the USB, your driver for the USB printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need learn